Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix site speed with Cloudflare, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your site speed with Cloudflare, begin by signing up for a Cloudflare account. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and create a password for your new account. After registration, log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Next, add your website by clicking on the Add a Site button. Enter your website's URL and click on Add Site. Cloudflare will scan your DNS records, which may take a few moments. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records to ensure they are accurate. After verifying the DNS records, choose a suitable Cloudflare plan. The free plan is a popular starting choice. Click on Confirm Plan to proceed. Next, update your domain's name servers to point to Cloudflare. Cloudflare will provide you with 2 new name servers. Log in to your domain registrar account. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Replace your existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes and allow some time for DNS propagation to take effect. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard and select your site. Navigate to the Speed tab in your Cloudflare dashboard. In the Optimization section, enable Auto Minify for HTML, CSS. This will reduce the size of your files, improving loading times. Now, enable Rocket Loader for asynchronous loading of JavaScript. This feature enhances site speed, especially on pages with heavy scripts. Next, head over to the Caching tab. Set the caching level to standard to cache static content for faster delivery. Enable the Always Online feature to serve cached pages during server downtime. Also, consider configuring the browser caching settings to improve repeat visitor load times. In the Network tab, enable HTTP/2 for faster loading of resources. If you have SSL set up, activate the automatic HTTPS rewrites option. Finally, test your site speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.